Hi, everybody. Mrs. Tafar here. If you are in virtual, you probably can do this lesson in one day. If you're face to face, you're going to take 2 days to do this lesson. This lesson is on the genre humor. We've been covering genres and different things you can research in the library. So you're going to learn about the humor genre. You're going to find a humor book. The next day, you'll learn how to draw like the author illustrator James Burke, and the links are right over to the right side. Episode 1, 2, 3, and 4 you can watch. And you're also going to identify the theme from the Bird and Squirrel All or Nothing book. So first step is to watch the lesson. Second is to answer what the theme is on Jamboard, and then watch and become an illustrator like James Burke and create your own story line using his characters. Hi everybody, Mrs. Tafar here, and today we're going to continue to explore different types of books you can check out of the library. Books fall into lots of different categories or genres. So, so far we've talked about biography. We did read a poetry book. We talked about a fantasy. Let's see what else we have. So today we're going to talk about humor. And the definition of humor, let's see if I can share my screen again. Make sure I'm sharing the right one. Here we go. Humor, a story that is full of fun and that is meant to entertain. And of course, they have 3 examples on the screen there. But you probably know a few of yourself right off the top of your head, like Diary of the Wimpy Kid or Bird and Squirrel, books like that. So today, I went to the bookstore actually and purchased a book for us today. It's one of the Bird and Squirrel books, and if I show you the library catalog, and I'm in the Cold Harbor one, but you can search your home's library, and I put in the author's last name because I just wanted Bird and Squirrel books. He probably has written lots of things. Actually, I know he has. So I just wanted Bird and Squirrel to pop up. And here are some of the ones that we have currently. Bird and Squirrel on Fire. This was published in 2017. It's not a very hard reading level. And it is okay to read books that are a little lower on the reading level, just for pure entertainment and enjoyment. Here's another one, Bird and Squirrel on Ice. This one makes me laugh so hard. I love this one. Bird and Squirrel on the Edge. Bird and Squirrel on the Run. Bird and Squirrel all tangled up. Now, this is not a series, meaning, well, this is a series, but you do not need to read them in order. You can read them in order of the year they were published if you wanted to. Like this one here is published in 2012. Let's see, and it says a number 1, so it says it's the first book. Then let's see, we have 2014, 2015, 2019, and 2017. So you can read them in the order he wrote them or published them, but it's not a series you need to read in order. So here's our book, a humorous book. If you want to search the libraries, public library or school library, for a book under humor, you get books that entertain. This is also a graphic novel. So it's a graphic novel, meaning, comic book style, but it's humorous. Bird and Squirrel, All or Nothing by James Burke. Here's the title page, which says Bird and Squirrel by James Burke. And if you see at the bottom, the publisher is by Scholastics. On the back of the title page, you will see the verso. And if you look at the little C, the copyright date is 2020. And you see in yellow, it says, for all those living in a dream world, keep on dreaming. The world is a better place for you. And so the story begins. If you look at the page, you see the ladder going up the tree to the birdhouse, and it says, I don't have to do it. Don't even look at it. Just ignore it. You have nothing to prove. Him looking at that paper. No sign of him. You don't control me.
The Horn-Toad 500, the ultimate desert adventure race. Teams of two, 5 scenic stages, 500 miles of sun, a whole lot of fun. Of course, we see this scorpion there, and you see it's a desert. Look at his big eyes. Looking at the paper again. Gasp! And he's looking down at that scorpion. 2 claws! Dad, can we go home now? This isn't fun. Bird. It's not about having fun. Now get your head out of the clouds and focus on your training. What am I training for again? To be a Horn-Toad 500 champion like me and my mother before me. Woo! What's that? And her father before her and Bird, where are you going? You need to stay focused. Hey, what's your name? I'm Bird. Cool. You have a claw? Snap. I wish I had a claw. Snap. No way. Bird, you have 2 claws. What are you doing? What? 2 claws and I are just smack. Ah! Hey, that hurt. What's that? Look at the pointy tail of the scorpion. Oh no, and the little teeny piece of bird way down there. Whip. Get out of there! Sting! Whoosh! And you see him being taken off by his dad. What exactly were you thinking? Do you realize what could have happened? Do you want to be the first bird in the family to lose the Horn-Toad 500? If you do something like that in the actual race, you'll lose. And there goes the family legacy. Is that what you want? No. We're back in the present. You see Bird and Squirrel in the first scene, and Bird's eyes are really big. What you looking at? I was just doing some crumple fold twist origami. Huh? See? A fish. Are you feeling okay? Yep. Never better. Thud. What do you say we do something fun? Nah. We could go free flying. Meh. River rafting? You love that. Come on. You've been cooped up in here for days. Let's do something. Fine. Let's go for a walk. A walk? Squirrel's looking down at the crumple of paper. He uncrumples it. You see Squirrel is back in his house. He's talking to somebody. And then he spent the whole day walking. What's wrong with that? Bird doesn't walk. He runs. He flies. He crashes. But he does not walk for fun. Gasp. Do you think he's dying? Maybe he wants to do this race with you, but he's afraid you'll say no. Racing? I don't know. The desert? The heat? I'll end up thirsty, overheated, and hallucinating, stumbling across the sand in search of water. And while vultures circle overhead, waiting for me to die so they can peck the flesh of my dead carcass. Grundlit! I'm a vulture! Ha ha ha! Stop that! It tickles! Num 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 num. Tasty Squirrel, my favorite. That will never happen. Put your fears aside and do this for Bird. You're right. I'll do it for Bird. Yeah, I'll load up the bike, but I won't tell him where we're going. I can't wait to see the look on his face. He's going to be so happy. Welcome to Cactus Creek, Mayor Horn-Toad. Surprise! We have to leave. What? Why? Before he sees us. Before who sees us? No one. Let's go. I'll explain it all on the way home. I thought you'd be happy. I am happy to go home. Well, look who's here. Oh, no. Hey, champ. Dad. Long time no see. Welcome. Make yourselves at home. The place hasn't changed much since you left. Yep. Pretty much feels the same. You remember Lizzie, right? My racing partner? Hey, Liz. Hi. And there's Liz sitting there. Look at the peg-legged and pirate patch. Is he dead? No, he just looks like it. Are you sure? I knew one day you'd finally bird up and come home to take over the family legacy. Dad, I didn't. Bird Family Wall of Champions. We'll finally be able to add you to the Bird Family Wall of Champions. I've been saving you a spot right here. Dad, about that, you couldn't have picked a better time. Isn't that right, Liz? I busted my wing wrestling a rattler. I'd be snake droppings now if I weren't for Liz's quick reflexes. We were still going to race, but now that you're here, we don't have to. Huh? Let's go into town and tell them that you and Squirrel are racing in our place. Dad, wait, I'm not racing! Oh, and everybody looks at Bird. Then why are you here? Actually, funny story. He didn't know we were coming and we got here and I said, surprise! And he said, let's go. And I said, why? Because I was really confused. And then you showed up. And, okay, never mind. Good talk. I should have known you never had what it takes to be a real champion. Always goofing off, flying around in a dream world. Whatever. Let's go, Squirrel. Fine, go. Don't worry, the family legacy will survive. Liz and I will still win, even with my busted wing. Well, you have a lovely home. Thanks for having us. And you might want to have Lizzie checked out by a doctor. I'm pretty sure she's dead. Pretty view of the sunrise or sunset in the desert. Well, let's hit the road. What's going on with you? Who, me? Nothing. I'm great. Never better. Tell me the truth. It's not like you to run away from an adventure. Sigh. All my dad cares about is carrying on the stupid family legacy. It's always been about winning that race. I can't be the one who ruins it, the one who loses. It doesn't have to be all or nothing. Just give it your best shot. I'm sorry, I can't. If you don't do this now, it's going to haunt you forever. I said no. Well, it's too late to head home now. It's getting dark. Let's stay and watch the race and start, and then we'll head home after, okay? Fine. Zzz. Squirrel sleeping, of course, Bird wide awake. Worrying. Welcome to the start of the Horn-Toad 500, the world's hottest, most spectacular desert adventure. Featuring 5 fantastic stages under one sizzling hot roof. Stage 1, Stage 2, Stage 3, Stage 4, Stage 5, and finish. All brought to you by yours truly, Horn Nathaniel, Horn-Toad the Third. That's me. Yeah. Woo, woo, let's race. Are you sure you don't want to race? I'm sure. Come on, it might be fun. No. You'll definitely have fun. This is our 3rd time racing. We never win, but we always have fun. I'm Chicken, and this here is Tortie. Hey, I'm Squirrel, and this is not racing. His name is actually Bird. Sorry, he's usually not like this. I thought you were leaving. We are. Good luck out there. Watch out. Step aside. Make way. Garoo and Crow are coming through. There he is, the one and only champ. The fastest racer the desert has ever seen. Or is it? Had. We haven't raced yet, Crow. Yes, of course, Garoo. We don't want to spoil the ending. Huh. You think you have a chance of winning against a wash-up, broken-down old bird like you and creepy deadhead lizard? It's a sure thing. Dad, I don't think this is a good idea. You have a busted wing. And Lizzie as well. Lizzie. You're gonna die out there. Are you and your squirrel friend going to race instead? No. Then we have no choice. We're not quitters like you. Ah, it must break your heart to have a son who's such a disappointment. Yeah, probably too scared to race. He couldn't win even if he were racing. You're right, he's a loser. Urgh. Hey, Bird can fly circles around you both and win this race if he weren't a coward. Hey, put me down. Show him what we do to cowards, Crow. That's it. Put him down. You want us to race? Fine. We're doing it. And we'll beat you and your creepy rat friend in record time. I'm going to enjoy watching you suffer. I eat birds for breakfast. Start. All right, racers, this is the moment you've been waiting for. The race. The rules are simple. Follow all posted signs. Stage 1. Push your partner up a mountain and don't die, Mayor Horntoad. And each team must finish every stage without dying. Dying? Wait, no one said anything about dying? Get ready. Don't worry, it's totally safe. If you want to see the finish line, you'll stay out of our way. Only thing I want to see is the look on your face when we beat you. And I'm going to ignore the voices in my head telling me to be terrified. Get set. Good luck, everyone. We're all winners. Go! Rat and Crow. All of them pushing up. Then space. And here comes Tortai. It sure is a beautiful day for a race. And we are off to a good start. And there you see them all about to go up that crisscross mountain. Which part of this is safe? Mainly just the start and the finish. This is your exit. No way! Crash! I'm not okay. Whoa! We're gaining on them. Stay away from the ledge. It's too late to go home. We're not going home until we win, or more likely die. Look who it is, the cowards. Not the best place to pass. Move aside, coming through. There's no room. I can beat them. You don't have what it takes. Send them over the edge. Slow down. I can do it. We have to win. We can't win if we're dead. Have a nice fall. Arrgh. Bam! Look at Squirrel ducking down with its hands in the air. Ah! Go, 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 go. Ah! Ah! Top of the mountain, stage 1 finish. Smash! Slide! Nailed the landing! We're still in it to win. Let's go. It's just a mild concussion. Nothing we'll worry about. Fromp. You're doing this for Bird, even if it kills you. Stage 2, rope and rappel. Stay tied together. No flying. Mayor Horntoad. There they go climbing down the mountain. Hurry! Tie this around your waist. We have to climb down there? Yeah, piece of cake. Just don't look down. Don't look down? How is that possible? We can't let them win. You're doing this for Bird. You're doing this for Bird. You're the best, Crow. No one's stronger than you. Huh? Hey, big guy. Taking it slow, I see. We'll see you at the finish line if we don't plunge to our deaths first. You're doing this for Bird. You're doing this, Bird. You're not going to die. Arrgh. It's time to take them out of the race for good, Guru. I know just the thing. Now that we're in the lead, can we slow down? We can't slow down if we want to win. Heads up. Huh? Is that an egg? It's a vulture egg. Oof. No. Ah! Oh no, he's going to pull Bird down. It looks like the two of you have your hands full. Don't worry, a vulture will be along soon to help you out. Ha 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 ha. Did he say vulture? Just ignore him. They're just trying to scare you. I think I'm all maxed out in the scared department. They also love to eat squirrels. Nope, I'm definitely maxed out. Can't get any more scared. Grant, I'm more scared. Grant, is that what I think it is? If you think it's an angry mama virtual who wants her egg back, then yes, it's exactly what you think it is. Grunt. Ah! You can have your egg back. We don't want it. Grunt. If you put us down, we're trying to win a race. Snap. Ah! Snap. Toss us the egg. Here, take it. Got it. Hey, Vulture, here's your egg. Come and get it. Grunt. Swoop. Hey, it worked. I feel like we're forgetting something. Gasp. Ooh. Are we dead? Nope. We're still in the race. Yay. Why? Woo! On to stage 3. We can still win this. Bird, quit your lollygagging and get back in the race. Do you want to win this or not? I want to win. That's my boy. Yeah, well, we'd still be in the lead except there was an egg and we were attacked by an angry vulture and scratch. Squirrel, come on. Good. All right. Good talk. I'm just going to get back to the race. Gotta win. Stage 3, the water dash. 1 full bucket per team. No spilling. Absolutely no drinking. Mayor Horntoad. The bright sun overhead. Bird running ahead. Squirrel looking okay behind him. Uh-oh, Squirrel's looking a little funny back there. Bird running ahead. Hot sun. We're closing the gap, Squirrel. Pant, pant, pant. Looking at the skull. Pant, 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 pant. Frying an egg on the sidewalk and it's hot. Squirrel, we can't stop. We have to keep moving. I don't feel good. Too hot. It's just a little further. We've got to go. They're getting away. I just need a drink of water. Just a little sip. I'm sorry, we can't drink the water. We'll lose. Whoa, what's happening? I don't feel right. Squirrel, I promise you can have some water. When we finish the stage, we're almost done. Oh, hello, Snowbird. I'm glad to see you. Squirrel, you're hallucinating. How about you let me nibble on your ice and cool snow belly? Give me that water. No, you can't have it. I need that water, but you can't have it. Water. You're eating sand. Bingo. Just a little nibble? If you want a nibble, you'll have to catch me. How are they still in the race? Come here, Snowbird. I'm going to get you. Gotcha. Stage 3 finish. Splash. Why am I doing this? No time to explain. We're back in the lead, and we're going to stay there. Stage 4, the mine maze. Find your way through, but don't get lost. Mayor Horntoad. Follow me. Shouldn't we think about this? No time. My bird senses will guide us. Seriously, again with bird senses? Can't we just use common sense for once? We need to stop. We can use the airflow to guide us to the exit. Can't stop. We're in the lead. You need to trust me. It'll work. We're winning. We won't be winning if we get lost in here. We won't get lost because we're winning. Bird doing this for a bird. Ha ha ha. I don't think this is a way out. Going to win. At some point we have to go up. Win. Which way? This way. Wait, there's air coming from over here. And there's an exit sign. Bird, we're going the wrong way. Come back. This is the wrong way. Ugh, why doesn't he ever listen to me? Oh, I can't wait to win this race. He didn't think I could do it. I'll show him. I'm just as good as he is. In the background, you see, caution, dead end, bottomless pit ahead. And I'm going to prove it. Then he'll have no choice. Why are you still heading this way? But to be proud of me. Smash. Ugh. Ooh. Bird, are you okay? Well, look who we found. I need your help. Bird's down there and I think he's hurt. I wish we could. But this is a race where we're here to win, not to help. Good luck getting out. What? Crack. No, you can't leave us here. That's it. No more Mr. Nice Squirrel. I'm going to get us out of here and stop them from winning or die trying. Bird, wake up. Are you okay? Ugh, where are we? What happened? We're trapped. Crow closed off the only exit. This is all my fault. Ugh, I'm such a failure. I hate myself. All I wanted was to prove to my dad that I'm not a disappointment, that I'm a champion too. What? You're not a disappointment. Look at everything you've done. Picture of him with the snake. You battled a poisonous snake with ginormous fangs. Survived an avalanche. Saved a bear cub from hungry wolves. Flown into a raging fire and wrestled a rat. You're the bravest, most courageous animal I've ever met. You don't need your father's approval or a trophy to be a champion. You are one already. Now get up and help me find a way out of here before I have a panic attack. You're right. We're both champions. Thanks, buddy. You're welcome. Let me see if I can find a way out of here. Do you feel that? Now is not the time for bird senses. No, air is coming in from somewhere. I can feel it. It's coming from over here. If we think small, we might be able to squeeze through. Step aside. I got this one. Help! 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 Now what? Long story short, we starve, our flesh decays, and our bodies lie down here for eternity. That's grim. I call him like I see him. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Tort! Did someone call for help? You ladies are lifesavers. That's twice you've saved our tails. Always happy to help our fellow racers. Why did you two end up in here? Crow and Garoo, they trapped us inside. Those creeps don't deserve to win, but it's too late to beat them now. I wouldn't say that. We know a shortcut. Moments later, stage 5. Run, walk, or fly. Each team must make it through all the flags to finish the finish line. Mayor Horntoad. Impossible. Ugh, how? Hey guys, fancy meeting you here. I'm going to destroy you once and forever. You'll have to catch us first. Let's show them how it's done. Gladly. Give up before it's too late. And let you win? Never. Last one to the finish line is a prickly pear. Am I the only one who sees the giant scorpion? It's Two Claws. You're not afraid of a little scorpion, are you? Not at all. We're old friends. I hope you know what you're doing. Don't worry. You just have to keep your eyes on the claws. Once a coward, always a whap. Smash. You did it. We did it. Ugh, thug, oof, crack. Woohoo! Finish line. Yay, way to go, son. Help. I knew you could do it. Help. Don't hurt me. I'll take care of Two Claws while you help Crow and Garoo. Sounds like a plan. What? No, you didn't cross the finish line. You didn't win. Hey, Two Claws, remember me? Snap. Just like old times. You guys came back? Of course. We're not you. Snap. You've been working out. Snap, snap. I mean, seriously, you have not aged a day. I guess I'll be running across the finish line. What? I just saved your life. I know, and now I'm going to win. Win, I win, I'm the winner. Grunt? What? No, help! Oh, that does not look like winning to me. Look out! Snap! Let's get you someplace safe. Snap, snap. Moments later. Did you see that? So much fun. Ugh. Only you can enjoy dodging scorpion claws. It feels good to be back to my old self. It's good to have you back. Should we win the race now? I forgot all about that. There's still some time. You'd finally be champion. Nah, we're already champions. Slytherin sign wanders, we have a winner. We do? Woo! Yay! We won! Really? Way to go! We won after all these years. Yippee! Congratulations! You're the winners of this year's Horn Toad 500. Way to go! Congrats! The trophy couldn't have gone to a more deserving team. Thanks! We really appreciate all the help you gave us. Yes, thanks again for saving us. Aw, shucks. You two are good eggs. We hope to see you next year. I think we are one and done. We'll have to see where the wind takes us. Bird. Uh-oh. It's your dad. Sigh, here comes the lecture. Oh, look, Dad, I know you're disappointed in me. It's just that I couldn't. I'm proud of you. Huh? I wanted you to be like me, but after seeing how brave and selfless you are, I realized I was wrong. You're a better bird. I am? I'm sorry it's taken me this long to see it. Wait, did you hit your head? Been in the sun too long? Nope, I feel fine. So you're not mad? No, I'm not mad. You do realize I ruined the family legacy? Yes. And you're okay with that? A faster flyer than you? What? You're not faster than me. Did you not see how fast I flew around two claws? You have to admit, that is impressive. Okay, I'll admit that was some champion level flying. I love you, Dad. You too, son. Really good talk. Let's do something fun. Sand surfing? Cactus climbing? Rattlesnake roping? I'll race you home. Last one home is a rotten rattlesnake egg. That'll be you. You did good, Squirrel. You sure did. Huh? Hello? Did you say something? Boo! Gotcha. Bird family, Wall of Champions. Now you're going to take the time to write down what the theme is we can learn from Bird and Squirrel. All or nothing. Just click the Jamboard and write down what you think the theme is. Tomorrow you'll continue to watch the illustrator create his characters. You'll try to create his characters and write your own story for Bird and Squirrel. Happy reading!